miles and miles of dense green forest, tall and proud mountains, ravishing waterfalls and murmuring hill streams, wild and enchanting creeks and lakes of pristine beauty, infinitely long coastlines, Odisha is gifted with immense natural wonders, filled with numerous sensory splendors. Odisha has about one-third of its land covered with forests, 480-kilometer long coastline supporting around 86 species of mammals, 473 species of birds, 110 species of mangrove plants and 350 species of medicinal plants. The rich biodiversity of the state is conserved mainly through a network of protected areas comprising 2 national parks and 18 sanctuaries. Elephants, tigers, leopards, black bucks, crocodiles, olive ridley turtles, Irrawaddy dolphins and migratory birds together make Odisha a sumptuous visual feast. Rich in forest cover, mountain range, water resources, flora and fauna, Odisha is filled with unspoilt nature, scenic beauty and rich biodiversity. It offers people with magnificent landscape across the state. These make Odisha a perfect tourist destination. All the eco cottages offer day and night staying facilities straight in the lap of nature. They have proper food and accommodation facilities provided by the local communities. Visitors can easily book these luxurious cottages as per their taste, budget and requirements. All you have to do is log into www.ecotourodisha.com, browse through the available destinations, select a favorite, check the ideal time for visit, fill up easy online forms and pay by credit or debit card or by online banking. There you go. Your booking is confirmed. It's time to pack the bags. So what are you waiting for? Come, be a part of nature, rejoice in peace and rejuvenate in tranquility.